So curious about this camera. I got a little mini vlogging camera that I can fit in my purse, and I'm so curious how this audio and video looks. But I just got in the car. I'm going to get a little touch up on my bangs. So we're going to see Lee. If you know, you know. Got home. This is the outfit. So I basically just kind of cut like thicker bangs. But yeah, Lee always knows what I want. I'm gonna take Milo for a little walk slash throw the ball, play with him, and then I have dinner with Natasha, which I'll bring you guys. We're going to this restaurant called Sushi Note, and apparently it's amazing, so I'm so excited. I'll film a little bit of it. I'm headed out to dinner. I'm just adding this like fake fur, really cozy jacket to my outfit. See you at dinner. Good morning. Just made my matcha. I'm going to the Aloe gym, which I haven't been in a while, and I'm gonna do the Pilates. Few other things we have to do today. I have to film a few sponsorships. I don't think Milo's gonna let me have this one. I think you're confused. So yeah, I have to film a couple sponsorships and then do my Italian homework because I'm taking Italian classes right now. I want to go for like a big walk, either on my treadmill or on the ground, nature. Sorry, my brain is like not on yet. Because one of my New Year's resolutions is to do between like 8,000 to 10,000 steps every day. I did not do that yesterday. I think I walked a total of like 3,000 steps. So I want to do that and then meditate and journal a little. I'm already up early, but I was practicing some Italian. So I'm gonna get dressed now, go to the gym. I'll bring you guys with me and then see wherever else the day takes me. Say hi, vlog. Say hi, mommy's vlog. I love you. Milo, come here. Good morning, pumpkin. Hi everyone, morning. It's another day. I genuinely just woke up. One thing I've been doing is leaving my phone downstairs when I sleep, and I feel like it's really helped without having the blue light right when you wake up. I just took this Ritual stress relief, not sponsored, just thought I'd let you know. And then I've left it on my bedside table because it's best to take it on an empty stomach if I remember correctly. Also on my bedside table is the 5-minute journal, which I've never completed. I'm gonna try again. I put lip liner on last night and it stayed on while I slept. Refies in the shade Rosewood. When these are cold. Okay, I'm just gonna brown some beef. Today I think it will be fun to bring you guys along because I have a workout with Jake at Aloe, and then I have a lymphatic drainage massage at Aloe, which I'm so excited. Apparently this lady that does the drainage massage has magic hands and the results are crazy, and it's like almost a 2-hour experience. So I'm really excited for that. And then after all of that, I have therapy. I think now would be the perfect time to introduce our sponsor, which is BetterHelp. If you guys watch my videos, you definitely know what BetterHelp is. They're an online therapy service. You can message, you can call, you can video chat, all from the comfort of your own home and do therapy, which I like going in person. I go to therapy in person now, but I don't know, part of me almost preferred video chatting with my therapist because I never canceled. Like, I was like, I'll do it. I know that there can be a lot of overwhelm surrounding the new year. I think a lot of us see people online kind of making it look like they have all the shit together, like they're getting this done and this goal and this, and I think it's really easy for us to sit there and compare ourselves, or to feel like, I want to get stuff done, but I don't know where to start. It can just be very overwhelming. I feel like we put a lot of pressure on ourselves in the new year to do all these things and to meet all these goals. Sometimes you need a plan, sometimes you need actual professional help to like figure out what you've gone through that makes you compare yourself to all these people. You know, maybe a therapist could help you come up with a concrete plan that would work for you, like perfectly tailored to your schedule. I have a special link for you guys that will get you 10% off your first month of therapy. I'll like write it on the screen here. And I really do hope you take advantage of it if you feel like you need it. I'm such an advocate for therapy. It's helped me in so many ways, and I hope that it can do the same for you. That dinner I made last night was so good. I think I might do a little meditation, change, and then I have an early workout. I'm like half awake. I'm on my way to the gym. It's pouring rain. It's so cold.
What is this?
Hey vlog!
Wait, what is this? John.
I'm about to do the lymphatic massage. I'm so excited. It's Sunday, which is my favorite day of the week. I'm not doing the farmer's market today because I have a class I've been taking on Zoom this morning, and then I'm meeting my girlfriend Maya for like an early lunch, kind of like a brunch situation. Where am I Okay, I'm making a coffee. I really like black coffee, filtered coffee, and I love my coffee machine. This is my ex-Bloom. She's perfect. She makes 1 cup of black filtered coffee. I think that's pretty much all it does, but that's all I drink. So, you can use your own coffee beans, but I just got these on the website. You take your card and you tap it, and it makes all the settings perfect, and then you press play. Wait, I forgot to tell you guys how good the lymphatic drainage massage was. I'll just put like a little before and after of my stomach. She was great. And also how amazing was my coffee machine. I'll put a link to it. It's called the ex-Bloom. This is not sponsored by them. I just got it recently. I think it's so cool. I just got out out of the shower. I edited most of this video, got some work done on the treadmill, which I love doing. I wanted to show you guys this. I actually talked about it earlier on in this video, but the Refi Lip Sculpt in Rosewood. This shade works really well for me. I do believe they carry this in Sephora, so you can go like in person and test. If you know me, you know I always have my lip on. Like I just always will have a lip on. I won't go without it. I like how it looks. And I'm always overlining my lips. My main priority is a lip liner that lasts because I don't want to keep reapplying it throughout the day, which obviously is slightly inevitable at a certain point, but if it lasts a long time, I like it. This lip liner I'm wearing right now, I put on right when I woke up, so that means it lasts me through eating breakfast, drinking my coffee. I just had an Italian lesson and I was talking, so lasted through all of that. And I think why is because you do your lips how you would. This side, I just don't know if this is like common knowledge, but it has like a little glue, and I just kind of, it almost feels like satin, silicone-y. I don't really know, but it's not super uncomfortable. It's not like tacky. A few minutes later, I applied just a little Laneige like lip balm to my lips so I had some moisture. And it's lasted all day. So I think the combo of the liner with the glue is incredible. This was the lip balm, and I just went like, I'm going to get dressed. I'll show you my outfit and I'll bring you to lunch.